Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a simple boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account, right? This is a very simple strategy to understand and it's very powerful for trading the boom and crash market. Alright, so with this strategy you are going to be growing your $5 account, your $10 account, or your $30 account. Alright, so make sure you listen to everything I'm going to be saying in this video carefully and make sure not to skip any part of this video because I don't want you to miss any vital information I'll be sharing in this video. Alright, so before I show you guys how the strategy works, I'm going to first of all share with you the setting of this powerful indicator. Alright, so first thing you have to do, you have to click on this icon here. So after clicking on that icon, you are going to search for the moving average. Alright, so you click on this icon, then you search for the moving average. Right, so after searching for the moving average, now you can see the parameters. You can see here that the period is 25, the shift is 0, the method is linear weight, the apply to is close. Under the style we have 3 pixels and you can see the color is blue, right? But you can choose any color of your choice if you want. Alright, so after that you click on save. Your moving average is going to be added. Now the next indicator we are going to be looking for here is going to be the stochastic oscillator. You click on this one and then you search for stochastic oscillator, right? So you search for stochastic oscillator. You are going to set everything to be 1 1 1 1. Price yield is going to be low high. The method is going to be simple. Now under the style, you can see here the main is 1 pixel, the signal is 1 pixel, and the color is going to be the color of your background. Now the level is going to be the most important here, right? So you click on it, you change any other thing you see there to 15 and 85, right? So this is where you are going to be clicking to add the levels, right? Then after that, the pixel is going to be 2, the color is black, or you can use any color of your choice. Then you go back and click on save. Now after adding the stochastic oscillator, the next indicator we are going to be adding is going to be the awesome oscillator. You click on this icon now, not the first one anymore. So after clicking on the second icon, you search for the awesome oscillator. So these are the setting. Alright, the setting for the awesome oscillator is going to be the default setting. You don't need to change anything. Alright, the only thing you may be changing is going to be maybe the pixel. Alright, change it to 4 if it's different. Alright, so after that you click on save. You are done with the awesome oscillator. Now you click on this icon again and then you search for moving average. Right, you search for the last moving average here. Now the period here is 10. You can see the shift is 0. The method is simple. Apply to its previous indicators data. Under the style we have 3 pixel. The color is blue, but you can use any color of your choice, right? After that you click on save and then you go back. You're going to have a screen like this one. Alright, so like I said earlier, this is a very simple strategy to understand and it's very powerful. Okay, so now first of all, this is how you use the strategy. You're going to wait for a spike. Whenever there is a spike and you see that the awesome oscillator is now touching the 80 level, right? This is boom 1000. On crash, you're going to be doing the opposite. So whenever you see that the awesome oscillator is now touching the 85 zone, right? Now the next thing is that you are going to wait for it. Guys, the touching is the first condition. The second condition is that you are going to wait for it to start changing to red. Whenever it starts changing to red, that is your second confirmation. Now you wait till it gets below the line here, gets shorter and close below the blue line, right? The blue signal line. So once it gets below it, right, that is a confirmation that yes, the price is now changing into a downtrend. Now your final confirmation is going to be that when it has closed below the 25 moving average, right? When it has closed below it, then you go in for 5 candles, right? You go in for 5 candles and you are out. All right, you don't need to be greedy with this strategy. Like I always say, don't be greedy. Always make sure you follow the conditions I give and you'll be safe, right? Now this is that for that example, and here is another example here again. Like I said earlier, you wait for spike. Whenever the awesome oscillator is touching the overbought level, which is the 85, right, you start waiting for it to start changing to red, showing you that yes, the price is now reversing. And then whenever it closes below the blue line, now you wait for the main chart also to close below. The candlestick should close below the blue line. Immediately that candlestick that closes below the blue line closes, then you go in for 5 candles and you are out. All right, 5 candles, you are out. Here is another example again. Immediately close, you wait for the main chart to close also, and then you take your 5 candles, right? This is boom 1000. Let me check on crash and show you some example there also, so you can see here on bone, you see the crossing happen here. Like I said, on crash you are going to be doing the opposite. It spike and it touches the 15 level, which is the oversold level, and then it starts changing to green, then it closes below the blue. On the main chart you see that it closed below the blue. You take your 5 candle before the spike will come, and you'll be safe, right? See here again, same thing happen, and on the main chart it closed. You take your 5 candles, you are out, right? That is how simple this strategy is. So you don't need to be greedy with this. You don't need to be greedy with this strategy. Just make sure you stick to everything I've said and you'll be okay. You'll be safe with this strategy. You'll be good to go. Now, for the zoom level, you have to zoom out completely and then you zoom in twice. 1 and 2. Alright, so if you have been following my channel, if you have been following my video, you will know that this is my zoom level, my favorite zoom level. I always zoom 2 times and then I'm done with that. For the screen, you can set it anywhere you want. It doesn't really matter. Alright, so I think that is all for this video. So if you're a new viewer, all I want you to do is to go smash that subscribe button. Alright, click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Alright, so and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Alright, I will appreciate if you like the video so that YouTube will recommend it to others and they also can get this information you are getting now for free. Alright, that's all I ask of you. Alright, so I think I'll be drawing the curtain right here now. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.